Really, dog?
Hello there, puppy. Hello there, puppy. Hello there, puppy.
He sure has a big face, doesn't he?
Hello
This
there,
one?
puppy.
No, she has a little one.
Hello there, puppy.
JJ has a big face.
So did Rhea.
Yeah, that's true. Why do you look like a rooster? There you go. There you go.
There we go.
Go, 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 go.
Spike! Oh.
Rohan. You know from Lord of the Rings, Rohan?
I thought it was Rowan.
No, it's, well, it is. Rohan. Rowan or Rohan, whichever.
I like Rowan.
You do like Rowan? Okay.
I don't like...
Ronan. There, Ronan.
What was his name?
Raiders.
Ronan was the guy on in Inisheer. Rohan was the guy in Lord of the Rings. Please, my shoe, really? They are so cute. Look, she's crossing her legs.
Hi.
Darn.
Hi. Hello, puppy.
You should not be playing with my shoes. Go play with somebody else. Like him and his camera. That's it. Go bite his hands. You've got sharp teeth. Go bite hands.